FitBit recalls 1.7 million Ionic smartwatches because of a burn hazard.
Ooh. That's a lot.
This was Mo's story.
Mo.
Yeah.
Big Mo.
Mo's in the chat right now. Shout out, Mo.
Well, why don't you just tell him to come here? Come sit down if he's in the chat.
Mo,
get over here. Reports of fitness watches lithium. We need another mic over there. Reports of fitness watch lithium-ion battery overheating leads to a warning from the U.S. Safety Commission. It is a little freaky with the wearable because now you have the lithium battery right on the body. And constantly, and it's always working, like, reading things. And and then you have battery health over time as people hang on to these things, and there's battery aging going on. The company, which was acquired by Google in 2021, sold about 1 million of the model in the U.S. I had one of those. I've had every fitness. I'm still wearing the Withings, by the way, and I still love it, by the way.
I put a spare one on my wrist yesterday just to check it out. It feels nice.
Both my kids are wearing the other two that we got.
Oh, really?
They love it as well. And they've had all the smartwatches as well. And the fitness bands and everything. The fact that you don't have to charge it as much, they're always using and tracking. They even wear it on the ice.
Really?
Flip it around to the inside for practice, not for games.
It's a good move.
Not for games.
I got the Withings scale. Love it.
I know. It's something. They got something going on.
They have something going on for sure.
They absolutely do. And when this thing goes battery low, I get a notification like it's actually once a month.
Yeah.
And I just plug it in and that's that.
Do you know, you might not know this, but you might. If let's say hypothetically I use the Withings, will it fill my health kit, like my Apple Health Kit, with data?
I believe it has integration. I don't use it like that, but I believe it has integration.
Oh, okay.
For both iOS and Android.
We got another.
It might not be quite as comprehensive though, because does Apple Health have the sleep tracking stuff to the same extent?
The Apple Health sleep tracking is very surface level. It's like you slept for 8 hours. Good job.
That's what I mean. So if you had integration, wouldn't it kind of like dumb down some of your data?
Maybe, but I have other apps that pull better data from my watch and give me a more in-depth, like I use Auto Sleep, so it gives me a more in-depth breakdown of my sleep.
Right, but that's a separate app.
It's a separate app, but it feeds from HealthKit.
So then inside of Apple Health, you see the new data? Like you've modified the app?
No, Apple Health will always give you the dumb data, but then other apps can extrapolate the data from your smart device.
Oh yeah, watch. I know, but then you have an extra app. You might as well just use the Withings app. At that point,
you're 100% right.
I don't know. The U.S. Consumer Product Safety Commission announces a recall, warning that the watch's lithium-ion battery can overheat, causing a burn hazard. I mean, you don't want to have that. The watch was recalled after Fitbit received 174 reports of its battery overheating, including cases of 118 people being burned. I mean, that's the thing. If your smartphone explodes on the table, not as bad as the pocket. The watch, on the other hand, or the fitness tracker is always on your skin. Direct contact. So you imagine desperately trying to get, I mean, I would just rip the whole band off, but imagine desperately trying to get it off as it was burning. Terrifying prospect, but.
I just want to see what this looks like. It would be this model.
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Ionic. Yeah, I had it. I own that model. It's one of the ones that I've tried over the years.
Did it blow up yet?
No. I can go grab it, try to make it blow up. We can heat it up. There's Mo. Oh, he is coming down. He's got a skateboard. He's feeling left out. He's been so consistent with the show. You got to understand, Kirk. There's feelings involved here.
Oh, we got a super chat here from someone somewhere. Says again, thanks for that one. Second one. He says a happy Mo is a happy show.
Happy Mo, happy show, which I said last time. And then all of a sudden Mo takes off and like Kirk steals the chair from him.
That's right.
And then I start to worry about Mo's mood. It's an emotional thing.
Yeah, well, I'm happy now that I'm back on the show.
So he's back.
We need a camera and a mic over there.
So he's in. No, go to the wide and people can see that Mo is there. Yeah, he's alive and well. Happy Mo, happy show. Let's go. Come on, man.
And I don't know how to say this name. Thadio. He says he misses the Pebble. Still miss the Pebble, which is
the original.
You've done that one.
E-Ink.
Yeah.
Yeah. I can't remember the battery life. I think it was decent because it was E-Ink.